Hello, sweet ones. Welcome to this 10-minute meditation. We will be repeating affirmations to fill you with hope. We will be letting go of fear. Worrying about the future is not productive or necessary, because everything turns out to be okay in the end. Things always work themselves out. I promise you. Please have an open mind in this meditation. Don't expect anything. Just allow everything to naturally unfold and come to you. Wonderful. Please find a sitting or lying down position. Get comfortable. Make sure your spine is long and straight, so your breath can easily travel from your feet to your head. Relax your shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Open up your chest. Let your arms rest by your side. Relax your hands. Allow each finger to soften. Beautiful. Now, please close those heavy eyelids. Together, let's take a deep breath in through our nose. Let the fresh air fill you with new life and vitality. As you exhale slowly and carefully, let the negative energy flow out of you. Watch that cloud of negativity drift away. Into the distance. With each inhale, you embrace new possibilities. And with every exhale, you let go of fear. Repeat softly with an internal whisper as you inhale, I embrace new possibilities. I embrace new possibilities. Now, as you exhale with a soft internal whisper, repeat, I let go of fear. I let go of fear. As you inhale, I embrace new possibilities. As you exhale, I let go of fear. Inhale deeply and slowly. Exhale even deeper and even slower. You are here with me right now, in this moment. You are meditating with me, inhaling deeply, exhaling slowly. We have nothing to worry about in this peaceful moment. We have each other. We have the beautiful music, the stillness, relaxing our muscles. Together, let's embrace this present moment, because that's all we have. The future, well, that's in the future. Let's embrace the now. Repeat after me. I am present in this peaceful moment. I am present in this peaceful moment. I am present in this peaceful moment. The future can be a scary prospect because it's unpredictable. As humans, we like routine. We like to be in the know. We like to have control. But sometimes, relinquishing control can feel so beautiful, so liberating. You can check the weather forecast. It may predict thick cloud all day, but you can never be sure. The sun may pop out, giving you a warm embrace on your lunchtime walk. Please, always live with the hope in your heart that the sun could come out. Imagine the sun brightening the town or city you live in. Imagine it lighting up the streets, turning the sunflowers' heads, casting a beautiful yellow light on your living room floor. Feel the warmth of the rays on your bare legs. And your arms. On your face. Repeat after me. I feel hopeful. I feel hopeful. Okay, why don't you open those eyes? Let in the light. It may not be sunny right now, but remember, the sun could come out. Be hopeful. Thank you for joining me for the last meditation of this 4-part series. I loved filming these, so if you want more meditations from me, comment below and let me know. Thank you, my sweets. Please subscribe and hit the bell.